Yeah, family, una do this na Basket TV. The great una we wish una a happy new year. And the new year samba will get for una hit the street. Basket TV they hit the street. We decide for hit the street and talk with the vulnerable people. Them we don't think say the APC government not our government we fit for rule this country also. So una take this one from my brother man. When I driver one meet the driving Puda una listen to waiting get for say and the reasons and we give we make it say you know go ever vote for the APC government again as saloon. Take this one. Yeah, family, this na Basket TV. I still the hit the street. I just pick up with my brother man when I driver. Anytime Moscow they say the wait for passenger there. So in back one vent out to view, wait to make him say you know go ever vote for APC government again at this country also. Yes, brother man.
Why make me I decide say I know they ever vote for APC government at this country? And because of them can make toll road, whether they call toll gate, whether they fly wood to oil, we not make no alternative road. When we they suffer with the masses, with the drivers. So me back I don't be out and I will talk to all my colleagues, drivers them. For say we not go ever vote for APC again at this country. Trust, APC don't suffer we a lot. We know they get no resources out of APC. At least then just they for in that we they scandal we no more and we they suffer at this country seriously.
So you not no more now you at the toll gate. And what do you mean about frywood to oil? The frywood to oil, what do you mean by that?
Now we they pay for them they make this road. We 1,000 the way they 2,000, 5,000 whether they thief now we have. Now we they pay, then they make the road, then they tell the Chinese man, then they make the road. So now we say that they fly wood to oil. And I go talk to me company drivers, the drivers union, all sector of life, where they drive now this road here. We not go vote for APC again. Trust, we don't this gone at this country.
Okay, family listen to Basket TV. I just talk with me. Yeah, family listen to Basket TV. They hit the streets of Sierra Leone right now. By the way, I deal with my brother and I when a hustler like me. And I just want to know what to make my brother have the APC, but you don't decide for less APC. And what will make you know ever vote for APC now this world again? Yes, man.
The APC government we don't promise we the disabled them within our streets, they suffer. Then they promise we for say they hold them come na power, they pull we na streets, they help we, but we don't see nothing. And that make we no go ever vote for APC again in our life. Because no ever help we, no ever pull in our streets. The deaf in our streets with the suffer.
So my brother man, as we do with Basket TV right now, they hit the streets of Sierra Leone. I may give advice like to your company physically challenge them when they're on the street because we know they call them disabled, right? You are physically challenged. What do you get for send to your company when they're on the street, where they suffer, where they look on the street? What do you get for tell them in relation to this coming election as alone?
Well, I they tell me company they know they're in our streets where we all not disabled. Let them think wise and they vote wise. Let them know how they vote. Let them know the person who they vote for. Let them not go put the person who they can't make with the strain again. And that's how they tell me company then. Then I they advise me brothers then and me sisters they know they're not disabled then. They're not involved in violence business during this election.
Thank you for this wonderful interview. This is Basket TV. As we go on, we're going to meet you, right? Yeah, man. Take me and my brother, man, right? I don't meet me young man and on Malanki they push, now we barely push now the streets forget in living. So I really want to ask me brother my man tell me what to make him say you know they ever vote for APC again at this country also.
What to make women say we are not vote for. Two of my family where they give them scholarship for go Hajj. Where they come on a village, they don't play at this street on. They not go. They like today for let them even turn back na village, they not get that chance for turn back na village, then they same one so. Then they shame for go back na village. They don't get that chance now for going to village again.
Okay, the family this now Basket TV they hit the street. I just talk with my brother man and he give me a reason why you know we ever vote for the APC. He say because the government don't thief, but nothing no more reach the hard. He say God in business, then put corruption business back, God in business. He say for that particular reason, you know we ever vote for the APC. Yes, brother man. Yeah, you do. Yeah, this now Basket TV. They hit the streets of Sierra Leone right now. And you know your mama see you hustle at the street, you know, okay, really with you. But really, I just want to ask you one important question. What do you make you say you know they ever vote for APC government again? I may tell Basket TV, the world will know what you talk.
I'm telling you. What do you make I see I vote for APC again because of the Ebola money where they said that they don't see the ITSA. But it's not that's what because for now they in power, they so and they pass the street and they suffer. I mean I suffer. Yes, I don't suffer for it. Me where I suffer so. Ebola kill me mama, they kill me papa, they kill me family, they all that me one left. They save money for the Ebola. APC government they suffer the ITSA. They don't get nobody for now they pass at the street. Right, so also forget heart to mouth. Pass a baby, some a big one in the street. They spread from inside. They give small thing. I go support with those. So now I say I dey vote for APC again. No more.
Okay, good thing. So you don't decide say you dey vote for APC again. Well, this na Basket TV. We hit the streets of Sierra Leone right now. Well, my brother, I just want to give short advice to you company physically challenge the way they on the streets, where they suffer. What you get for say to them in relation to this election, where they come.
Like particularly me, so me na one of suffer on the streets. I be confident. The election president account money for you. All like it's like you vote, so you like. Anybody above violence. And the begula, yes, the particular me so. Yes, if you see any president account to you, a give money. All like it's like you go vote, so you like. Yes, for the country better for tomorrow. No any government are wake up eating money, buffy.
So well, I will tell you thank you, my brother, man. It's not Basket TV. We will continue for the hitting on the streets again. I bless His love, man. Take care. They advise everybody, let we push away from violence. This election for be free and fair. No violence inside this election. I tell you, thank you. This is not Basket TV. Until we count on again, I wish you a happy new year. Thank you.